Hi guys, so on this section, right, left image, right text looks fine. Then left text, right image looks fine. But, oh, we can't see mobile. Mobile version. Now, this image before text looks fine. This image after text looks weird. Looks like the text is related to this text, but it's not. So, how do we solve it? Let's show you guys. Into the page, into the builder. Okay, now I got this bit, fine. This bit, not fine. Section, settings. Oh no, row, sorry. Row, settings, edit layout. Um, column 2, order first. Small phone? No, medium probably. And this one, don't worry. Now, go back. Images here, text is here. Now, what we got? It's in the right order again, right? Now we go mobile. We got Bush, you see? So it's a bit of backwards thinking, right? What you do on this section, you put it the wrong way around for desktop. And then in the row, you tell it to order this one first on medium because it's mobile first. So everything before the mobile does not go first, right? Yes, because we are talking about the second column, right? So here, everything before the mobile does not go first. So the second column is the text, remember. Well, then as soon as we go here, it is going first because the first column does not change order. And this column is okay, still okay, medium, in the right order, and the other way around. Fine, everything works because we changed that medium. Hope it helps.